Well, I just woke up and we're on our way to Austria, going on a ski holiday. We're gonna take the bus and visit Ischgl for the first time. Let's go. Well, the first thing we did was get something to eat and fix some skis. Well, we just arrived at the main station and we're gonna fix some ski passes right now. Ja, super, dankjewel. We just had our first slope today and the snow and the conditions were pretty good, but there's a wind force of 8 at the moment, so a lot of ski lifts are closed. That's not a good thing. Really bad. Really bad. It could have been a lot better, I think. Jeremy, why are we sitting down here? What happened?
Good. Relaxing. Some nice slopes.
Yeah, we did. Just basically happened, we lost each other through the snowstorm because it's really snowing this hard. Thank God Jeremy found me. We're now waiting for the others. They probably come in just a few minutes, seconds. And then we will be reunited again. I just lost everyone again for the second time. GoPro died, so they're eating right now. I'm also pretty hungry. Gonna ski the solo and wish me good luck. So there's literally no one on the piste. Everywhere you look, there's just no one. All by myself. I'm going to do the 5 and then I'm going to switch over to the 1. Ski slopes, take me home to the place I belong with the others. Day 32. I don't know how much time I have left. I'm completely out of. Oh yeah! Ah! Yeah!
For sure, I got a hangover. Whoa. I got an empty cup, pour me some more, so I can go until I blow up, and I can drink until I throw up, and I don't ever want to grow up. I want to keep it going, keep it going, 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 go, 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 go,
So we just came back from the Après-ski, awesome party, and I'm gonna say you a farewell and have a nice journey this night. Bye bye. Hello peeps, second day skiing. We just had our full descent. Now we're gonna do is descent again, take a break because we were feeling the alcohol from yesterday pretty good. So people, where are we heading off?
We're heading to Samnaun.
What is Samnaun?
Samnaun, Switzerland.
We're going to Switzerland! What are you going to eat in Switzerland? We're going to eat vlamkoeken. But Jeremy, how expensive is vlamkoeken in Switzerland?
30 francs.
30 francs. And how much is 30 francs?
I think 25 euros.
25 euros for a vlamkoeken. Wir gehen nach der Schweiz, ja. So right now we're crossing the border from Austria to Switzerland. So the cool thing here is, when you take the stairs down, you'll find a complete store with a lot of liquor and lots of other stuff down here. Well, what just happened? We had to go that route or either that route, but we went like in there. It's not the right way to do it. Ha ha ha! Small dive. Woo! Well, the first thing you notice when you enter Switzerland, there's duty-free shops everywhere. Posters, flyers, banners for duty-free everything. Just one big ass ski lift. Going all the way up there. How are you doing?
I'm good.
How are we doing? Well, as you can see, there's nothing to see. We're going to ski blind, I think. How is that going to work out? I don't know. We will find out. Dat is een raar rondje. Hey guys, just woke up and I got some good news and I also got some bad news. Well, the good news is we have a white Christmas. Yay! Well, the bad thing is all the slopes are closed. Every slope is closed. So no skiing today. That's too bad. So I have to imagine something else to do. And I just got the wrong idea, I think. And like you can see over here, all the slopes and ski lifts are completely closed. In the center of Ischgl again. I took my camera with me. I'm gonna see if I can take some nice videos over here.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you want to see part 2. I will upload part 2 next week. Also, let me know in the comments what you thought about this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next week.